This is the only robot pool cleaner guide you need right now. I went through the entire market, $90 to $1,000, and found the 8 best. 2 entry-level, 2 mid-range, 2 premium, 2 luxury. Every pool type covered, every budget covered. All links are in the description. Let's get into it. Tier 1. Budget Robot Pool Cleaners, $100 to $200. Product number 1, AIPER Scuba SE for $125.99. The Scuba SE is where most first-time buyers should start. Key specs: cordless, 90-minute runtime, 860 square feet max, auto parking, 15-second quick drain, floor cleaning only. It maps the floor systematically, parks itself poolside when the battery drops, and drains in 15 seconds before you lift it out. Here's what they don't tell you. Floor only. No wall climbing, no waterline scrubbing. Built for flat-bottomed pools exclusively. In-ground contoured surfaces leave gaps. 90 minutes runs short on larger pools. Best for flat, above-ground pool owners wanting a no-fuss daily cleaner. Not for in-ground pools or anyone needing wall coverage. The cleanest entry point in this lineup. Product number 2, Gosvor Cordless for $99.99. The Gosvor Cordless is lighter, simpler, and more affordable. Here's what that actually means. Key specs: cordless, 2026 upgraded motor, 1,750 gallons per hour, 90-minute runtime, 7.5 pounds, one-touch start, 860 square feet. At 7.5 pounds, it's the lightest robot here, and the upgraded motor handles fine sediment better than the entry price implies. The reality check: floor only, no wall climbing, no waterline cleaning. Strictly for flat above-ground pools. Contoured surfaces leave gaps. The 3-hour charge recovers just 90 minutes of runtime. Best for smaller flat above-ground pools on the tightest budget. Not for in-ground pools or contoured pool shapes. Lowest price here earns it honestly. Tier 2. Mid-range robot pool cleaners, $200 to $450. Product number 3, Betta SE Solar Robotic Pool Skimmer for $369.90. Step up and the category shifts entirely. Key specs: solar-powered surface skimmer, 30+ hours continuous runtime, twin salt-chlorine tolerant motors, 200 micrometer mesh basket, freshwater and saltwater, 24/7 autonomous. The solar panel runs it indefinitely in sunlight, intercepting leaves, pollen, and pet hair before any of it sinks to the floor. Here's the catch: the Betta SE is surface only. It does not clean the floor or walls. Extended cloudy weather depletes the backup battery and eventually stops the unit. Best for pool owners adding surface debris control alongside a floor cleaner. Not for buyers expecting one robot to handle everything. Nothing else here runs 24/7 on sunlight alone. Product number 4, WYBOT 4-in-1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner for $429.98. The WYBOT is the first robot here that actually cleans the entire pool. Key specs: cordless, triple motor, 3,038 gallons per hour, 4-in-1, gyroscope and 4-wheel drive, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, 180 micrometer filter, 1,614 square feet. The gyroscope and 4-wheel drive grip pool walls effectively, and dual Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth keeps app connectivity solid mid-cycle. The downsides? Initial Wi-Fi pairing frustrates some buyers, and wall suction drops as the filter loads. High debris pools need a mid-session filter rinse to maintain suction on the climb. Best for in-ground pool owners wanting full cordless coverage, floor, walls, and waterline. Not for above-ground pools with soft, flexible walls. The most complete cordless cleaner in Tier 2. Halfway through. If this is saving you from a bad purchase, hit like and drop your pool size in the comments. I'll reply. Tier 3. Premium Robot Pool Cleaners. $450 to $700. Product number 5. AIPER Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner for $579.99. Three things finally come together here: runtime, navigation, and full pool coverage. Key specs: cordless, 240-minute eco, 180-minute auto runtime, floor, walls, and waterline, 11 sensors, wave path navigation, dual layer filtration, scheduled cleaning, over-the-air upgrades. The WavePath algorithm maps the pool and runs systematic overlapping passes. No random bouncing. Over-the-air updates mean the robot improves over time without buying new hardware. What you need to know: heavy debris loads cut runtime short of the maximum. App setup isn't intuitive, and the filter clogs faster on dirty pools. Best for in-ground pool owners wanting smart cordless cleaning with long runtime. Not for high debris pools or buyers who prefer plug-and-play. The most capable cordless cleaner in this tier. Product number 6. Dolphin Nautilus CC for $699. The Nautilus CC is the most proven robot pool cleaner on this list. Key specs: corded, active scrubbing brush, wall climbing, top load filter, any pool surface, up to 33 feet, plug and play, no app. Corded means it never stops mid-cycle. Plug in, drop in, done. The scrubbing brush physically removes algae from walls rather than vacuuming past them. The honest truth? No app, no scheduling, no smart navigation. One basic pattern, no customization. The cord drags in irregular pool shapes, and 33 feet is a hard length limit. Best for in-ground pool owners wanting plug-and-play cleaning with no charging. Not for pools over 33 feet or buyers needing app control. The most battle-tested robot in this lineup. Tier 4. Luxury Robot Pool Cleaners. $800 to $1,000. Product number 7. Beatbot AquaSense 2 for $899. The AquaSense 2 earns its tier with one feature no other robot here delivers. Key specs: cordless, floor, walls, and waterline. Double pass waterline scrubbing. Auto surface parking. Smart drain water release. App recall. After every session, it automatically surfaces and parks at the waterline. No reaching into the pool. Smart drain releases retained water so the unit is light and ready to lift the moment it appears. The trade-offs. App setup is mandatory and takes time before first use. Navigation can miss corners on irregular pool shapes, and cleaning intelligence doesn't match the AI Vision tier above. Best for pool owners wanting hands-free retrieval and the best warranty in this category. Not for complex, irregular pool shapes. Best warranty in this lineup, and the retrieval system earns it. Product number 8. AIPER Scuba V3 AI Vision for $949.99. Nothing else in this lineup can see what it's cleaning. Key specs: cordless, AI camera, direct-to-debris navigation, cognitive AI Navium mode, waterline parking plus app alert, over-the-air upgrades, 2026 model. The AI camera navigates directly to debris rather than running a fixed pattern. It cleans where dirt actually is. Navium mode creates a custom weekly schedule and executes the full week without input. Here's where it falls short. As a 2026 first-generation AI release, long-term reliability is unproven. The camera lens must stay clean or accuracy drops. App dependency is total. No useful manual mode. Best for serious pool owners wanting fully autonomous weekly cleaning and cutting-edge AI. Not for buyers cautious about early adopter risk. The most intelligent robot in this lineup.
All right, the winners.
Best value: WYBOT 4-in-1, floor, walls, and waterline, plus Wi-Fi and four-wheel drive traction, all in one cordless unit. No other mid-range cleaner covers this much. Best for above-ground pools: AIPER Scuba SE. Auto parking, retrieval, and a 15-second quick drain make it the most practical daily driver for flat pools. Best surface skimmer: Betta SE Solar. 30 hours of solar-powered autonomous surface cleaning, no floor robot in this lineup can replicate. Best premium pick: AIPER Scuba V3. AI vision camera and 7-day autonomous scheduling. No other robot here delivers this level of intelligence. Skip this. Gosvor Cordless. Lowest rated robot in this lineup, and the AIPER Scuba SE outperforms it in every measurable category. My personal pick: Dolphin Nautilus CC. 10,000 reviews, unlimited corded runtime, active scrubbing brush. No charging cycles, no app headaches, just works. All 8 links are in the description, organized by tier. If this saved you from the wrong cleaner, smash subscribe and drop a comment with which one you're getting. I reply to every one. See you in the next one.